Come here. No, come here. Come here. No. Come. Come off this crooked. Ah! So now you finally want to come here. Come here. This is my puppy. Ah! Stop it. Stop it. You're good. Ow! See my puppy. Look at the camera. Wow. No. Stop biting me. Ouch.
Remember when we go back to school, we need to buy a new hat for you.
Yeah. He made my mouse crooked. That's my puppy. Do you like my puppy? A beautiful puppy.